y'all, I'm back. The apartment hunt is still on. This is a job in itself, y'all, and I'm back with another apartment tour. Stay tuned and keep on watching. Well, hey y'all, yes, I'm back with another apartment tour. When I tell y'all, I have seen so many apartments, but as I promised y'all, I'm taking y'all with me every step of the way. So before we jump into this video, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notification gang, so you'll be notified of my next video, y'all. And we just gonna get into this apartment. When I tell y'all I love it, but y'all will see in a minute, so let's get into it. When I tell y'all this apartment was so nice, what I really liked about the bathroom is all the counter space that you get. I love the two drawers. The tub was a pretty nice size, just a standard tub, but it was a very big bathroom. And then, baby, this walk-in closet. So it has two racks, two shelves. It is a very large walk-in closet. This is a 2 bedroom, 2 bath roommate style apartment. I love how they have everything decorated. The colors gray, yellow, and white just popped. This is a second closet that's in the bedroom. It could basically be used for anything, but what I didn't notice in this unit at all was a linen closet. But that could possibly be a linen closet. What I also really like about it is bam, in unit washer and dryer connections. No, this does not come with washer dryer, but you can rent it from them if you don't have your own. But I like the fact that it does have a closet when you first come in, coat closet, and when y'all tell y'all these French doors, like, come on. That was my favorite thing. I like the way they have this staged. It's a smaller living room than what I'm used to, but baby, that fireplace. Oh, I could mount a TV up there. Very, very nice. This is one of their upgraded units. Of course, the upgraded units are more expensive, but I love the way they have everything staged, and it gives me just the idea of the perfect size furniture and everything. I love how they have the kitchen table decorated. The kitchen itself, I love the floors. These are the appliances that come with the upgraded unit only. I love the countertop. I love the stainless steel and the black, how it all comes together. And yes, y'all, everything is so nice, like new carpet. They allow you to paint if you want to. Like, these apartments are very, very nice. I know y'all like, girl, why you still looking at that plug? Those plugs are USB plugs. So I love that wall accent that they have. Everything tied together, and it's really cute. I love those pillows. Oh my goodness, like, those are the cutest ruffle pillows ever. Like, she was just telling me basically where I can get all these things, and I'm like, girl, let me check it out. So this is the other side of the 2 bedroom. Here is the second bathroom. As you all can see, it's a pretty nice size as well, just a standard bathroom. This will serve purpose as an office slash guest room. Both of the bedrooms are about the same size, but I love the windows and all the natural lighting that comes in. Like, y'all, I was so in love with this apartment. I mean, it doesn't have everything that I want. The linen closet is a must, but oh, y'all, side note, that lamp. Oh, that lamp is so cute. Like, but as you can see, these are both queen size beds. Another huge walk-in closet. But yeah, so this is one of the bathrooms. I just want to show you all pictures of it. Just a standard bathroom. Nothing major about that. But as you can see, really big, and just everything is bright and clean. And then this is that second bedroom, just to give you another view of how large it is. Y'all, I fell in love with these when I first saw them. This is just another view of the bedroom. I love those lamps. Like, come on. And then, of course, this is the master. I really do love the apartment. The only downfall will be that it does not have a storage closet and it doesn't have a linen closet. Those are not deal breakers for me, but y'all, these apartments are too expensive not to have one of those two things. But baby, I'm in love with that kitchen. Like overall, just to take y'all through it again, like it is super nice. Like it's a shame that, and of course this is everywhere, that you have to pay so much money to get an upgraded unit. But hey, people got to make their money, and if you choose to rent like I do, I'm not ready to purchase a home yet. Um, so yeah, I'd rather rent. I don't have to be worrying about maintenance or none of that. But what I really just really like this apartment community as a whole, but like I feel like you can get more for your money if you stay in different areas. This apartment is about 900 square feet. I mean, the fact that it doesn't have a linen closet, like, what am I going to do with all my sheets and towels? I guess they would have to go in one of the walk in closets. And I know y'all like, girl, you got two of them. Yes, I do have two, and I have a lot of clothing. Um, but, I mean, if I have to use the closet as storage, I would. But the bedroom itself is really large. It's a very nice unit. And this girl that helped me and took me around the apartment, she was super nice. Like she was kind of giving me a visualization as to what I could do with each closet, you know, where I could put things and things like that. And she had a great idea. This could serve purpose as my linen closet, but I don't know. This apartment of unfortunately is not the one that I'm gonna pursue because as y'all will see in the next video, for the same price of this one is in the thousands. For the same price of this one, I can get something much bigger, more storage and things like that. But I've always loved these apartments, but after seeing various apartments, I'm like, girl, oh, y'all, this is just a job in itself trying to find these apartments. But as I told y'all, I'm going to take y'all with me. But when they have an apartment that's staged, it just makes the decision that much easier for you to visualize yourself here because they have it staged for you. Most of the time, I film these apartment tours so I can get the idea of where to put my furniture when I move in. But I decided to share these videos with you all as well to let you all know that my apartment hunt again is a job in itself. But this is a very, very, very nice apartment. If they go down on the pricing, it could possibly still be an option, but I'm not really sure. But baby, the upgrades on this apartment are amazing, amazing, amazing. So yeah, y'all, other than that, this is episode, I believe this is the third apartment I showed y'all on my apartment tour. So let me know what you all think about this apartment. Do you like it? Do you love it? When I first saw it, I loved it. But as I got out more to see what other apartments were available, I was like, girl, oh my goodness. Yeah, so other than that, I really love the kitchen as far as with the stainless steel. Everything is so crisp and nice. Yo, this apartment was really nice. I only really want a two bedroom so I can have a designated office space. But as you will see in the next videos, I'm kind of possibly open to a one bedroom. So we will see, y'all. We will see. So yeah, y'all, this is the apartment. So yeah, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications, become a part of the family. Notification gang, gang, gang. So you'll be notified of any time I post. The apartment hunt is not over. Y'all, it's a job in itself, like I said. But again, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for supporting. And I will see y'all in my next video.